It's anxiety actually right now.
It's been a real disaster.
I would like to be able to go to Martella's again.
The fight to keep a local pharmacy in network for area customers continues. And some of those who would be affected showed up to protest outside the courthouse ahead of a scheduled hearing. Our Emily Marina shares what they have to say and what happened in court.
Express Scripts filed a motion Tuesday evening to move Scanlon and Wojton's class action lawsuit against them to federal court. Scanlon and Wojton, the law firm representing affected Martella's customers, filing a motion to keep the class action lawsuit against Express Scripts at the state level. This comes after a Cambria County judge ordered an injunction, putting a pause on Express Scripts from terminating Martella's from its network, and after Express Scripts filed a motion to move the case to federal court. A hearing was set to take place at the Cambria County Courthouse Wednesday to further discuss the injunction, but it was canceled due to the motions filed by both parties.
So we think, for starters, it's proper to be in state court because we're filing under state law. And so not only that, this is where all of our class participants are either here in Cambria County, Somerset County, or Westmoreland County. This is absolutely the correct venue.
Supporters of the class action lawsuit gathered in protest, hoping to make their point that Martella's is important to rural areas. One woman stressed the importance of Martella's delivery services, saying that service at Giant Eagle or Walmart is not the same.
Because I need a drive up that I can just pull in and pick up my medication and leave. And I can't do that now. I have to have somebody to go with me and pick it up and stand in line for me till they get up where I can sit down, and then I get to pick it up.
Another says that as an amputee, she cannot see herself going to Giant Eagle or Walmart.
Well, it has to the part of frustration and anxiety because I have an amputation and I'm 87, and Martella's have just been wonderful through the last 30 years. They've carried me through everything. I can't see myself being able to go to Giant Eagle or Walmart. I don't even go to those places to shop occasionally, but even with my prosthetic leg, which I can't wear now because I have a clot, when I have the leg on, I can't because it's on a heel and it's too vast an area for me to walk.
John Augustine, the administrative director at Greater Johnstown's Career Technology Center, who was supposed to testify on Wednesday afternoon, says that about 1,400 employees and close to 3,000 family members are covered by Martella's insurance.
So in the year 2025 alone, over 1,600 prescriptions have been filled by Martella's pharmacy at a total employee expense of just over $10,000. If this goes through, that employee expense is going to go to $55,000 to local teachers, custodians, cafeteria workers.
He says those impacted employees range anywhere from Conemaugh Township to Forest Hills. One supporter said that as a former medical practitioner, he says that he is speaking out as both a provider and a customer of Martella's pharmacy.
The problem as a provider is if you take a patient like Leona, say I see her at 3:30 in the afternoon with a urinary tract infection and she has a mail-in prescription, she can't get an antibiotic. She must go to Walmart or to Giant Eagle to get an antibiotic. So what happens? It's 3:30 in the afternoon, it's December, it's getting dark, her driver doesn't drive after dark, so she decides she's going to wait till the next morning to get the antibiotic. What happens? The next morning she's in the emergency room with a temperature of 104 and she requires a 5 or 6 day admission.
He and others say that the situation has been a disaster and anxiety inducing for customers. Attorneys say they are doing everything that they can to fight for those customers.
We're not going away. We're here, we're going to fight this, and until a court tells us you have no case, get the hell out of here, we're staying and we're fighting.
Scanlon and Wojton are waiting to hear a date and time for the next court hearing, but remind that the injunction stays until ordered to be removed by state or federal courts. Reporting in Cambria County, I'm Emily Marinas.